Welcome back. Sorry for the last 2 days. I am a little bit busy. Here are both of the G-Wagon. But today we will not work on this. Let's do the cold start. Today we will finally plan for our road trip. Today we will decide which car we are going to take with us. As I told you before this time, we are going to take a supercar. So let's see which car is best for the trip. And I will also show where we are going. After many days, today I take out the 6/6. This car is a little bit difficult to drive because this truck has too much body. So I don't take it out until it is. See what happens if you turn it in a high speed. I can make sure that this road trip will be more fun than the previous one. Finally we reached. Now the time has come to decide. But to be honest, I already have 2 cars in my mind. Let me show you. First one is the Devo. And the second one is SVJ. I am confused between these 2 cars. Which one should I take? Let's keep the cars side by side. Then it will be easy to figure out. SVJ is looking good. After deciding, we will take the car for customization. Let's take the Devo out. This one is also looking good. Now we have to decide. What's your opinion? Both are looking good. From all sides. I think Devo will be a good option. So, tomorrow we are going to Devo for customization. Now I am going to show you where we are going. This time we are doing the whole map tour. Means we will cover the whole map. Let me show you where we are staying. We will start our trip from here. Here will be our first stop, day 1. Second stop, day 2. Third stop, day 3. On the 4th day, we are going to spend time in the shipyard. Then 5th day in the race course. Sixth day here. 7th day here. 8th day here. On the 9th day, we are going to our farmhouse and spend at least 2 days there. And on the 12th day, we came back to home. This is the whole map tour, which we are going to cover. Almost 2 weeks. First time in a car simulator too. Like, share, comment, subscribe.